You've unboxed your new phone, set up your apps, and customized your home screen. It feels perfect, right? But what if I told you you're only scratching the surface? There's a hidden layer of features and performance tweaks waiting to be unlocked. Most phones ship with safe basic settings for the average user. But you want more. In this video, we'll dive into 10 secret settings that can transform your phone's speed, privacy, and convenience. These aren't minor tweaks. Some will make your device feel brand new. Grab your phone and let's unlock its full potential. First up, let's unlock developer options, the gateway to advanced settings and hidden features that most users never see. This powerful menu is tucked away for a reason, but with a few simple steps, you'll have access to a whole new world of customization and control over your device. Start by opening your phone's Settings app. Scroll all the way down to About Phone. Here, look for the build number entry. Now, tap on build number 7 times in quick succession. Don't worry if it feels a bit odd. This is a hidden trick built into Android. If your phone is secured with a PIN or password, you'll be prompted to enter it. This is just to make sure it's really you making these changes. After entering your PIN, you'll see a message pop up at the bottom of your screen. You are now a developer. Congratulations! You've just unlocked a powerful set of tools. Head back to the main settings menu, and you'll notice a brand new section called Developer Options has appeared, usually near the bottom of the list. Inside Developer Options, you can tweak everything from animation speeds to advanced networking features, USB debugging, and even background process limits. It's a treasure trove for anyone who wants to push their phone further. This is the same menu manufacturers and engineers use to test devices and optimize performance. Now, you have the same level of access at your fingertips. We'll be coming back to developer options later in this guide to unlock performance boosts and hidden tricks that can make your phone feel brand new. Step 1 is complete. You've just unlocked your phone's hidden control panel, giving you access to features most people never discover. Ready to take your smartphone experience to the next level? There's so much more to explore, so let's keep going and see what else your device can do. With developer mode unlocked, your phone becomes a playground for experimentation and discovery. Let's dive deeper and make the most of these powerful tools. Imagine a world where your phone instantly understands what you want, responding to your touch with almost magical precision. Let's make your phone respond to you, not the other way around. No more fumbling through endless menus or getting lost in settings. Your phone should adapt to your habits, not force you to adapt to it. Most modern smartphones let you assign custom gestures, like double tapping the back to launch your favorite app, take a screenshot, or even turn on the flashlight. These shortcuts can make your daily routine smoother and more efficient. To get started, go to Settings. Then look for Accessibility or sometimes Advanced Features, and find the Gesture Controls section. Here, you can assign actions to different gestures, such as Media Group, Screen Recording navigating to smartphone settings, Accessibility, Gestures, finger scrolling through Gesture Options menu on phone, each stock, Distribute equally, opening the camera in a split second, pausing or skipping music tracks without unlocking your phone, or instantly launching your most used app with just a tap or swipe. You can even set gestures to activate features like Do Not Disturb or Open Your Notes app for quick ideas. It's a huge time saver and makes your phone feel truly personal, tailored to your unique needs and preferences. Imagine the convenience of controlling your device with just a simple movement. Once you try it, you'll never want to go back to the old way. It's like unlocking a hidden superpower for your phone. Think about your most used app. Set it to a gesture and save precious seconds every single day. Over time, those seconds add up, making a noticeable difference in your daily flow. Small change, big impact. So go ahead, explore gesture controls and make your phone work for you. not against you. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. When you pick up your phone, you want the screen to look its absolute best. Not just bright and flashy, but also accurate and true to life. The colors you see should reflect reality, not just catch your eye with artificial vibrance. Out of the box, most phones are set to display oversaturated colors. This is designed to impress you at first glance, making everything pop with extra intensity. But it often comes at the cost of realism. To get a more natural look, open your Settings app, then head to Display, and look for Screen Mode or a similar option labeled Colors. Here, you'll usually find options like Vivid and Natural, or sRGB. Switch from Vivid to Natural, or sRGB, to see colors as they're meant to be seen, more balanced, subtle, and true to life. At first, the change might seem underwhelming or even dull, especially if you're used to punchy colors. But give it a little time. Your photos, videos, and especially skin tones will start to look much more realistic and pleasing. Some phones even let you go further, offering advanced settings like white balance or RGB sliders. This gives you the power to fine-tune your display for even greater accuracy, matching your personal preference or professional needs. For most people, though, simply switching to natural mode is a huge upgrade. It's a quick change that makes a big difference in how you experience your content. With just one tap, you can enjoy a more accurate, professional-looking display that's easier on your eyes and better for viewing photos, videos, and even reading text. Your eyes will thank you for making the switch, and you'll start to appreciate the beauty of seeing true colors every day. Gamers, this one's for you. Want smoother graphics? Go to Developer Options and find Force 4X MSAA. This boosts visual quality in games by smoothing out jagged edges. The result? Cleaner, sharper graphics, like turning PC settings from medium to high. Warning, it drains battery fast, so only enable it for gaming sessions. Turn it off when you're done to save power. For the best mobile gaming visuals, this toggle is a must. Level up your gameplay instantly. Don't risk losing your data. Set up automatic backup now. Go to Settings in System or General Management. Backup. Make sure Google One Backup is on, covering your apps, messages, and settings. Check Google Photos separately to back up your pictures and videos. You can trigger a manual backup anytime. It takes a minute to check, but can save you from disaster. Your phone is replaceable. Your memories aren't. Make backup your digital insurance policy. Protect your phone from thieves with Shutdown Lock. If someone steals your phone and powers it off, you can't track it. Enable a setting that requires your PIN or password to power down. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy, or Lock Screen. Secure lock settings. Turn on Lock Network and Security or Shutdown Lock. Now your phone stays online and trackable, even if stolen. It's a simple tweak that closes a major security loophole. Don't skip this. Your data's safety depends on it. Keep your notifications private, even on the lock screen. Go to Settings, Notifications, Lock Screen Notifications, choose Hide Content or Show Content only when unlocked. You can also set this per app, hide messages or banking alerts, but show weather updates. Stay informed without broadcasting your private life. Take a minute to review your most used apps. Tailor your lock screen to your comfort level. Privacy is just a setting away. Apps love tracking you for ads. Let's stop that. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy, Privacy Ads. Tap Delete Advertising ID to block apps from tracking you for personalized ads. This replaces your unique ID with zeros, making tracking much harder. You'll still see ads, but they won't be tailored to your behavior. Do this on every new device, and check it periodically. It's a simple step with big privacy benefits. Take control of your digital footprint. What's the real difference after all these tweaks? I tested 2 identical phones, one stock, one optimized. The optimized phone feels snappier, with faster animations and smoother navigation. In games, graphics are cleaner and more polished with 4x MSAA. Custom gestures launch apps instantly, no more fumbling. The display shows true-to-life colors, not cartoonish saturation. Each tweak is small, but together they transform your experience. Your phone becomes faster, smarter, and more personal. It's not just about specs, it's about unlocking potential. Try it and feel the upgrade. Now it's your turn. Pick just one setting from this video and try it on your phone. Use it for a day or 2. Does it make a difference? Share your experience in the comments below. The top 10 most insightful comments will win my exclusive advanced settings guide. Experiment, share, and help others discover what works. Good luck! You don't need a new phone, just new knowledge. Explore your settings every few months, especially after updates. Stay curious and take control of your tech. These tweaks make your device work for you, not the other way around. If you could add any feature, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Unlock the power in your pocket.